ng matcha latte. Kasi super
Okay, ready? Let's give it a 4. Candidate number 1.
Oh, and I repeated my outfit. That's okay. Kasi yung name for today is monochromatic. So,
for candidate number 2.
Super nice ng box. And ang dami-daming tint. Like, super duper dami. Oh, look at the colors, guys. And then ang daming mga stickers. I love them. And then super daming tints. Oh my gosh. Very wifey. Diba? Wifey, you love tints, diba? Oh my gosh. Share your channel or your Instagram.
Oh, my Instagram is at @K_Dobless. I'm actually a DJ.
K_Dobless. P-A-E. K_Dobless. Oh my god, look at her face, guys. And she's pregnant. Ang ganda-ganda niya.
Oh my god.
Boy pa yan, ha? Oh my god, ang ganda mo, girl. Group photo. And since sa likod kami, nakatumtum kami sa chair. Ang sakit. Okay, wait. Hi, Mikey.
Medyo mahirap kasi naka-ano pa. Medyo malambot.
Ganyan ka-crazy yung color and click. Oo, diba? Oh my gosh. Ang dami. What? Nina! Oh my gosh, ilang shades yan, girl?
20.
20 lang naman. So, what's your favorite?
Zola and Liv and Lola.
Oh my gosh, 20 shades, guys. Look. Oh my god, dami sobra. Sabi ko kay wifey, di ba very tint siya? Matint siya sobra. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, we're gonna try that. Yeah.
Tint girl siya. Like, kapag gusto mo ng tint, suggest panoorin mo.
True. Oh my gosh, mirror from Glad King. This is my kind of mirror, guys. Ang laki.
Guys, if you wanna get your sweater, I'll help you out for your sizes.
Yeah. I bejeweled my phone. Cute. Right?
Yan, meron na. Meron na.
Ate Mila! Cute. Ba't kayo ang ganda? Ito yung akin. Ba't na yung sasalita? Hello. Yes!
Time mo break, sabay-sabay kayo nag-aan.
So we're here at Polilya. We're having wine. So prefer namin ni wifey ang red. Sila ano is wine. And plastic balloon from the event. We have fish and chips. We have Pinoy caprese. Caprese? Nachos. Yaman!
Hey, we're playing.
Hindi, may praise na ba?
Whisper kami ng whisper challenge.
Mag-isip tayo ng words. Nag-i-intro. Gumagawa ba sila naman? Ako na lang mag-isip.
Ito na. Yeah.
I cannot ride the guy.
One more?
I cannot
yellow
ride the guy.
the like.
I cannot ride.
I cannot rent down.
I cannot
rent
the guy. I cannot ride the guy.
I cannot ride a car.
I cannot ride the guy.
The cock.
The cake. The guy.
The cock.
The guy. Alam mo, lumalabas talaga gusto.
Okay, sinat na lang. Next.
I cannot ride the guy.
I cannot ride the guy. Michelle!
Party hard. Party hard.
Party hard.
Toot harder.
Swoosh.
Harder.
Swoosh harder. Party hard. May action pa. Pwede pala may action.
Okay, next. Shooter, out and set up. Shooter, and set up.
Lang.
Shooter.
Chooser.
Shooter. Shot. I'm so drunk.
Char.
I'm so drunk.
Oh my god.
I'm so drunk.
I'm so char.
Shocked. I'm so drunk.
I'm so drunk. Shucks, I'm so drunk. Mag-actions ka din. Boom, tarat-tarat pa. Oh.
Break it down!
Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So for breakfast today, actually hindi siya breakfast, brunch. Nagluto lang ako ng corned beef with potatoes. So ito yung laging niluluto ni Mama before. So I just sliced some garlic and then hinalo-halo ko lang lahat. So garlic, potatoes, and corned beef. And the corned beef I use is Delimondo. Kasi tamba? Delimondo. Super sarap niya. And that was my brunch for today. I also just finished mopping the floors and sweeping the floors as well kasi ang dumi ng floor ko and I cannot kasi girl, pag ang floor madumi girl, oh my gosh. Anyway, gumamit ako ng Zonrox kasi gusto ko bleach talaga. Pero okay naman yung floors and I think you can use Zonrox naman, diba? For floors. Anyway, super linis na. So all I have to do now is go run to the bank muna kasi I have a bunch of BIR, ITR stuff to finalize kasi girl, malapit na matapos lahat. And I still have to unpack. Ang dami ko pang luggage na hindi na unpack. So yun, I actually got Grab. Ayan, sa beauty room din, super linis ng floors. I opened the windows para matayo agad yung floors and true enough, natayo din siya agad. So, ayan. And then, here din, maayos na rin, malinis na rin. Yung mirror naman, napunasan ko na rin, so hindi na siya malabo. And then, for the bedroom, I also mopped the floors. Pero kailangan kong isara yung bintana. Kasi, aalis ako, and you don't want. Oh, teka lang. Maulan pa rin, grabe. Okay, locked. Hindi ko pa ito na vlog to, pero I got myself a BACKJOY. Alam niyo yung BACKJOY? Bongga, no? And then, as you can see here, ang dami kong packages na hindi pa nabubuksan. So, I'll work on these tonight. Actually, today is my work day, so kailangan ko maayos yan. Oh, I did laundry last night. Kailangan ko rin magplancha. Nakakaloka. So, I'm back home agad-agad kasi pagdating ko ng BPI, sarado yung bangko. Nakakaloka. It took me 30 minutes to get another ride home. Grab taxi yung nakuha ko. Ay, ang lakas ng ulan, look. Medyo nabasa ako. Kasi nag-cap lang ako. Thank you, Ronan! Hiniram ko lang yung hat niya kasi hindi ko pa nababalik. And ayoko magpayang for some reason. Anyway, I'm craving for some soup. Tonight, we're gonna be working lang all night. So before I start working, I'm gonna have early dinner muna. So I'm gonna have some ramen and I'm gonna show you kung paano ko siya niluluto kasi I cook it in a way na parang saucy. So hindi siya super duper soupy. Ayoko ng soupy. I mean, minsan gusto ko ng soupy. Pero most of the time, mas gusto ko ng saucy. I'll show you how I do it. Super duper love ko yung mga ganitong playlists on YouTube. So this is called the Relaxing Jazz Piano Radio. Ayan. I play it while I do my stuff. Kino-connect ko lang sa JBL na ko. Pero we have to charge kasi low bat na siya. So, ang favorite choice ko for ramyun is Shinramyun from NONGSHIM. As in, I've loved this since siguro college pa girl. So, I buy yung mga ganito, yung mga 5 packs. Ayan. And then, ang ginagawa ko, so, normal amount of water. I'll add pa pala, ito, what do you call it? Shiitake mushrooms. Masarap siya with shiitake mushrooms. So, I'm just gonna add like 2 pieces of that. And then kapag medyo nag-evaporate na yung water, we put in 2 eggs. And then, yun na yun. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya sobrang, basta super duper sarap, I swear. Kakasain ko lang pala using my Zorjirushi rice cooker. And I've been eating rice the past 2 days. So, mag-stop muna ako for a few days ulit kasi masama. I mean, yeah, actually, nakakataba pag rice everyday talaga. So, I try to eat it, once in a while. Ayan, nilagay ko na yung shiitake mushrooms inside. So, we're just gonna let this boil. Wala ka na iba gagawin kasi nilagay ko na lahat ng seasonings, lahat. Ayan. Also, I'm super happy na nag-grocery na ako. I think, nag-grocery ako nung isang araw. After a long time. Puro ko order. Food panda. I cannot na kasi ang mahal. And I'm trying to save money. Yun, kaya nagtitipid na ako. And I have a bunch of veggies in my fridge. So, I cook every day na. So, love it! Ayan, medyo malambot na siya. Pero kulang pa for me. Gusto ko ng super duper lambot talaga. So, we're gonna let it boil pa. Kasi as you can see, madami pang sabaw. Boil. At this point, pwede na kayo mag-add ng 2 eggs. I love it. I just love it. This is my favorite. Then, let it boil muna. Tapos, pwede lang kainin in a bit. And here's the final outcome, guys. Oh my gosh, super sarap. And as you can see, yung consistency niya, parang lomi. Yum! Kaya tayo. So, I'm currently in my makeup room. Inuna ko muna yung mga pictures na kailangan picturean. So, I'm wearing my oversized blazer kasi second look na to. Yun. Tapos lang sa pictures now, we're gonna make some tea kasi medyo, oh my gosh, inaantok na ako ng bongga. Pero I need to drink something para maayos yung salita ko sa videos. So, I have, I think 5 videos to film tonight. So, dito ako nag-take ng photos for today. Pero I really plan to make this white. Or perhaps doon ako magpipicture or hindi ko alam. Pero pabalan ko ito ng white para if ever I take photos, maayos yung likod niya or something like that. Kasi gusto ko plain. Usually, I take photos kasi doon, itong wall na to. Pero kasi sa labas pa siya and, you know, I wanna work in here. And may aircon, girl. Kasi hindi ko pala nasabi na ito na yung catch-up vlog ko. Kasi diba ilang araw din tayong delayed. So, ang kasama ng vlog for today is the vlog nung nag-wine kami nila Michelle sa Polilya in Poblacion. That was so much fun hanging out with everyone. And actually, hindi ko pa masyado nakaka-hangout si Michelle lately lang. You really learn so much about the person and totally nag-iiba yung perspective mo. Kaya ang bongga, I just really love hanging out with my girls kasi super, super, super duper fun. Even Tina Arches, we've been hanging out a lot. And that's really so much fun. So, looking forward to more wine nights. Love it. So, I just filmed 2 videos. I'm taking a little break kasi hindi ko kaya sunod-sunod. I mean, may mga times na kaya kong sunod-sunod, pero no, ngayon hindi ko kaya. 2 videos muna and then I'll be filming the other videos tomorrow na lang. For this one, yung unboxing pa ngayon. And then, ayoko lang kasi masayang yung makeup ko. Good thing, na-cancel yung event for tomorrow kasi nga it's been raining non-stop kanina, even ngayon. Even feel ko bukas talaga uulan pa ng bongga. I'm having my second glass or second cup of turmeric tea. Para bongga. And then may isa pa pala akong gustong panoorin, yung about sa kaso ng ano yun? Anong pangalan nun? Si Paco. Sinend sa akin ni wifey yung link. I'll have the link in the information box. It's about mga wrongly accused basta sa kaso ng Chong sisters. Girl, as in sobrang messed up daw. I haven't really watched it yet, but it's all over social media. Ayun, so manonood ako siguro mamaya. Kung gising pa ako. Meron pala akong ikikwento, guys. I feel na important na ikwento ko to. I think so. Because we were in Poblacion, I think last week, nung Saturday. And then, syempre, gabi na kami nakauwi. So, pumasok ako ng Grab. I got a Grab car. Pumasok ako. And then, ang Poblacion kasi, yung mga streets nila, ano yan, salubungan. Pag hindi kayo nagbigayan, walang makakadaan. And then, it gets like super duper jammed ng bongga. So, pagpasok ko ng car, ito yung car. And then, may kasalubong. Tapos sabi ni Kuya Grab sa akin, kaya niyo po ako naabutan dito, ma'am, kasi kanina pa nakabalagbag yung kotseng yan. Yung kotseng daw. Tapos, hindi daw siya makadaan. And then, I analyzed the traffic situation. Kami, along with like siguro 10 cars sa likod namin, and then nag-iisa lang tong car na to. So, sabi ko, gusto ko na umuwi, pagod na ako and everything. Ang dami ko pang nakain, nakakaloka. So, bumaba ako ng car, and then all I said was, hey, gumanon ako, sabi ko, hey, can you move your car a bit? Can you move your car a bit? I was super, super duper polite, nakakaloka. And then, may dumungaw sa kotseng to. He was a black guy. And then, nagulat ako sa sagot niya. Sabi niya, how can I move my car, bitch? Parang, oh my gosh, sabi ko, may sinabi pa akong masama. Ba't niya ako binitch agad? Nakakalokal, parang, anong ginawa ko sa'yo? Excuse me? Sabi ko tuloy, why are you calling me a bitch? Sabi ko ganon. And then, sabi ko, okay, wait lang, pagod na ako. Pumasok ako ulit ng car. And then, sabi ko kay Kuya, tinawag niya akong bitch. Gumanon ako ng bongga. Kasi sabi ko, okay, is it a good idea to, like, fight back? Kasi normally, I'm the type of person na if you do something like that to me, I will not let it slide. As in, ayoko yung parang tinatapakan yung pagkababae mo or something like, ayaw ko ng gano'n talaga. So, nag-isip ako. Good thing, pagod na ako nung gabing yun kasi ang dami kong nakain. We were out for like 7 hours yata yun, just talking and everything. So, by the end of the night, like mga umaga na yun, pagod na talaga ako and all I wanted to do was sleep. And then, sabi ni Kuya, oo nga ma'am, narinig ko nga yan, ganyan. So, anong nangyari? Ang weird nga pagbaba ko tsaka sila gumalaw, like parang, dapat kanina pa kayo gumalaw, diba? So, anong nangyari, ganyan, sa lubong, diba? Dahan-dahan. Kasi syempre, may nag-double park dito, ganyan. Sa lubong. Binaba ni Kuya yung, si driver, binaba niya yung window niya. Kinausap niya yung English, pero hindi siya kinausap. And I also rolled down my window to see kung ano sabihin ng mga lalaking to. And then I saw in the car, Innova na white, 5 black guys inside. So, obviously not Filipinos. And then, they were like, watch your mouth, bitch. Sabi ko, watch your mouth? Ang sinabi ko lang, hey, can you please move your car? Nakakaloka. So, number 1, I feel na baka lasing sila. Grabe, as in, girl, nakakaloka lang ng bongga. If may police doon or barangay doon, I would have actually reported them. Kasi girl, ano ba? Ang ayos ng pakikitungo sa'yo. Respect, dude. My gosh. So yun, watch your mouth, bitch. Gumanon sila. So sabi ko na lang, okay, whatever. And then tinaas ko na yung window ko. And sabi ko, okay, I'm too tired to fight back. So, piyaan mo na. Sayang, hindi ko nakuha yung plate number. Pero wala lang. But I'm actually glad na wala akong ginawa. Kasi, come to think of it, 5 black guys sila. Yeah, that night, I forgot my pepper spray. Wala. There are just times na kailangan hayaan mo lang. You know what I'm saying? Kasi hindi mo na alam, baka may baril sila. You'll never know what could happen. Kaya I'm really glad that that night, pagod ako. Kasi kung hindi ako pagod, talagang nang-away ako ng bongga. I can say that with all honesty. Yun lang, nakakaloka lang na tatawagin akong bitch, like, police. Sinong bitch sa ating dalawa? Nakakaloka. So anyway, ayun, tapos chikahan kami ni Kuya, ganyan. Ang tagalo talaga niya nakastop doon kasi alam mo yung tipong staring game na hinihintay nila na ito yung gumalaw. Ganon yung nila. Kaya, my gosh, I cannot. Tapos inisip ko pa nga road rage and everything. Kaya sabi ko, this could get ugly. Kaya girl, let it go. Bye, umuwi ka na. I'll let karma do its job. I know karma is real. It's real. What do you think? Let me know in the comment box down below. Tapos na ako mag-film for today. I won't push myself kasi gusto ko na matulog, pahinga. Sakto, umuulan, and ang sarap matulog ng umuulan. At least tomorrow wala akong pupuntahan. So yun, kailangan mag-plan siya, and then we have to take a bunch of OOTDs. And that's it. That's it for the vlog for today. I'll remove muna my makeup. So, that's it for the vlog. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.